Hello, EDUC 519 scholars. I wanted to quickly give you a little video that helps to show you how to use Google Scholar and the library, the NMSU library, together to help you find the articles that you're interested in. As you saw on Google Scholar, there may be some articles that you find. For instance, I found this article, The Effects of Modern Mathematics Computer Games on Mathematics Achievement and Class Motivation. And this really fits my research topic, and I really want to know what this article is all about. However, when I go to the article and I try to get access, it either makes me pay or makes me sign up for the Science Direct, and we don't have to worry about that because our NMSU library has lots of articles available to us. So what I do, I always start on Google Scholar first with my search terms. Once I find an article that I really like, if it's available, I'll read it there on Google Scholar. If not, what I do is I copy and go to the NMSU library, library.nmsu.edu, and I just search that article in quotes to help me find the exact article. So you'll see here that the library also has this article available to us. However, one thing that I wanted to show you here on this library access is that because our library has experienced some budget cuts, we don't have all of our articles and all of our journals readily available at the touch of a button. However, when you see this here about how to get your article and you try to request it through the interlibrary loan, this is a great tool to use to help you get the articles that you need. So I'm going to request this article through interlibrary loan. And I just need to log in. Here, it already starts to fill in a lot of the information for me because it knew which article that I was requesting. So it came from the journal Computers in Education. It automatically fills in all of this for me. It already has the article title. Really, all you need to do is submit your request for this article. It could take up to 24 hours, perhaps even 48 hours to receive your article, but I wanted to show you that this interlibrary loan is a great way for you to get articles that you don't have to pay for, as long as you're willing and able to wait a few days to receive the work that you're looking for. So if you come across articles like this that are not available at the touch of the button, but can be requested through interlibrary loan, please do take advantage of this tool and resource that the library has for us. Thank you.